Oh! Hey, what are you doing?
God damn it. What are you doing sitting here with all your trash, huh?
Shit, it was all my fault for the day.
Yes.
You could have just driven around me.
Who do you think you are lecturing me, huh? You people are filth, destroying everything around you. I want this cleaned up, and I want it to shine. Hear me?
What about my lunch?
See? Looks as good as before to me. Now, I'm gonna take as a compensation for my emotional damage.
Don't get it off me!
Hey, what do you think you're doing? Are you okay?
Yeah, here. Oh, sir, I haven't had a lunch like this for 100 years. Thank you. Oh, sir, thank you.
Take care, buddy.
Yeah.